Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive.
Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
Hello, this is Vlad, and I would like to say hello to everyone listening. And my first question is, what is this Gemini artificial intelligence? Who made it, and how can I use it as an amateur and completely not guru? Thank you.
Hey, Vlad, thanks for tuning in and for the great question.
Yeah, it's awesome to have you here, and that's a perfect question to jump into.
Okay, so Gemini is actually a large language model AI, which means it's really good at understanding and generating text, and it's made by Google.
That's right, and it's similar to other AIs that you might have heard of, like ChatGPT, but it has some unique features.
Yeah, and as for how you can use it, it's designed to be really accessible, even for people who aren't tech expert.
You can interact with it through a web interface or through Google Apps, and you can ask it questions, give it prompts, or use it for creative projects.
Like in our audio clip, the person's just having a casual chat with Gemini, and he's exploring different things it can do.
Exactly. You don't need any special coding skills or anything. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you can jump right in.
And we're actually going to get into some of the really cool things it can do, from analyzing music to brainstorming universal languages.
We'll also touch on some of its limitations, so you can get a full picture of what it can and can't do, especially if you are like an amateur and not Gary.
Yeah, so let's jump back.
Oh, yeah, uh-huh.
I'm sorry for the interruption. I have another question. What do you mean by universal language? Is it some kind of potential communication with extraterrestrial intelligence? Thank you.
That's a fantastic question, Vlad, and it connects directly to what we were about to discuss.
Yeah, no need to apologize at all. We love it when you jump in and share your thoughts.
So when we talk about a universal language, it's not just about talking with aliens, but it definitely includes that idea.
Yeah, it's about creating a way to communicate that's so fundamental that anyone, anywhere could understand it.
Think of it as a system of communication that transcends spoken or written words.
And in our source material, the person is actually exploring this with Gemini.
Yes, they're brainstorming this idea of a language based on visual symbols, colors, and light frequencies.
And the hope is that such a system might be understood by any intelligent life form.
That's right, because things like shapes, colors, and light are universal. They exist no matter where you are.
And that's why it's so exciting to consider, because it opens up the possibilities for reaching out beyond our own planet.
It's not just some sci-fi fantasy, it's a real idea being explored by researchers.
And we're going to dive into how they actually tried to define and create this type of language.
You know, using shapes and colors to represent things like agreement and disagreement.
So you'll definitely get a much better sense of what we mean by universal language.
And you'll see how it connects to this idea of extraterrestrial communication.
I hope that helps for now. And let's get back to the audio recording.
And I thought it was really cool to just hear how real people are using this technology.
Oh, yeah, I totally agree. I mean, it's one.